Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rajesh Roland from Microlent Systems. Today I would like to share you a case study of a logistics company to which we have provided a digital solutions. So this is the logistics company, their headquarters is in Singapore and their operations are between Singapore to Hong Kong and Malaysia. And they have lots of warehouses, they have a logistics business where they have different sizes of boxes. Before coming to us, they had a these kind of setup where the customer used to call them for the services. They have the different sizes of boxes where the customer used to say on the call that what is the size of boxes they need, and based on that a driver is assigned to take that box and send it to the customer's home or the premises, and then the customer used to pack them and then again call to the company that okay, the box is packed, and that again driver used to go and collect that box. And with this they were facing lots of challenges, especially relevant to the quality of the services. The customers were not happy. It was difficult for the customers to track their consignment. Also, they were complaining again and again about the quality of the services. They were facing challenges with the packing, like the customer used to mention most of time that they have packed it really good, but the driver mishandled it. Also, when investigated, it was found that many of time these drivers used to subcontract that task of collection. So instead of going themselves, they used to give that task to someone else. And the other drivers who were not the employees of the company used to go and collect those boxes and was not able to provide the quality services and was not handling those boxes properly. And they have come to us with one more issue, that the drivers were claiming a bigger route, saying that they had to take a longer route to reach the place because of traffic on the roads or something else. So they were basically trying to get more fuel price compared to the actual distance. So these all major issues they were facing when they came to us with this. So first we started with analyzing their business completely. We have gone through their processes, we have gone through their flows, how the task is being taken, how the task is being assigned to the drivers, how the customers are being updated for any sort of information update on how their consignment, on where the consignment is reached, when it will be delivered, everything. Then we proposed a detailed solution to them which they approved, and what we delivered to them is we have delivered to them one web application using which a customer can see the type of different boxes and also make an order. So customer need not to call the company to check for the sizes of the boxes as well as placing the order. Now they can go on the website, they can choose the size of boxes they want, they can see the prices for every box, and that price is again based on the place where they want the courier to be delivered. So everything was automatic, so customer was able to know everything before placing the order about their courier. They can see the different sizes available, the prices for that sizes, as well as the prices based on the distance. So based on that they can calculate the total value, they can see the total value, and then they can place the order themselves. With that they can also choose the drop timing of the box, that when blank box should be dropped at their place, and also once the box is packed by them they can choose the pickup time as well. So once the company receives the order, based on availabilities of driver and the timetable of the resources and the vans, a driver is assigned a job automatically with the all details provided. And then there was a separate app we have built for the driver. This app has a feature of showing the shortest route to the driver. Also it is capable of tracking the route for the driver, like the actual route it is taking. So it solved the problem for the company by tracking the driver's route, and it made almost impossible for drivers to fake the routes. So now with that the company also saved the lots of revenue. Now once the task is assigned to the driver, he cannot subcontract because he has to use that app himself to track the route. Also once he drop the boxes to the customer's place, he has to take a picture of that box with himself and post it on the app. Same thing is while picking up. So once the customer place a request for pickup of the boxes, the job is assigned to a driver, and whosoever driver goes there, it is his job to take a picture with the packed box and post it with that particular job, so that we can know that particular driver only went to collect the box. And that improved the customer satisfaction really well, because now the only trained driver was going to collect the boxes, and these companies drivers are trained to handle the consignment properly. So there was no breakage or any sort of issues with packed courier. It increased not only their revenue but the customer happiness score as well. With the new system, now the administrators are able to see the number of jobs they have, the number of courier requests they have received, how their drivers performed. Everything was there in their reports. There were instant notifications. There were a tracking of those drivers. Company was also able to add their warehouses. We have built one application for the warehouses as well, where these applications was integrated with the RFID readers, and all these consignment or all these boxes which was supposed to move, they had a RFID tag with them. So whenever a courier reached to a warehouse, whenever a courier move in some vehicle, whenever a courier move into a ship, so everywhere these RFID readers used to identify with these RFID tag and update the status to not only to the management but so to the customer also, so that customer can see the movement of their consignment. And also we have designed an algorithm based on current inventory for the shipment. This algorithm helps in providing the maximum utilization of the space by suggesting the placement of the boxes in the container, which has given them upper edge with the competitors. This system not only helped them to organize and manage everything, but also it increased the customer satisfaction on their Google reviews. Their company registered 20% growth in immediate year because of that application. With this application, they were able to see lots of reports of their resources, reports about customer happiness, reports about how things are moving in this whole business. So if you are also running such a logistic company business, we can help you with a tailored software according to your needs and your processes, so that your team do not need to learn the application, but the application is designed in a way that your team use it on regular basis, and there is almost zero learning curve involved in that. Or if you are having any other kind of business, you can contact Microlent Systems for any custom software development. Thank you.